In today's digitally interconnected world, swift access to reliable data is essential for making informed decisions and improving operational efficiency. However, procuring data is often laborious and resource-intensive. To address this problem, we proudly present the Intratec Data Excel Add-In, which empowers our customers with data that can be seamlessly integrated into existing Excel workbooks. With just a few clicks, the add-in lets you download Intratec data directly to Excel, already formatted and ready for analysis. Trusted by analysts, traders, and managers alike, our add-in streamlines access to Intratec's reliable data. Receive data instantly to stay ahead and ensure timely insights into trends and forecasts. Get information on all the data series you subscribe to, and tailor your selections with the intuitive template interface. Access historical data and forecasts, empowering you to confidently make data-driven decisions. Experience the ease and efficiency of Intratec Excel Add-In and focus on what you do best. We handle the data for you.